Good morning, dear students, and welcome once again to e-learning lecture of Rasshastra. Today, I will describe you about Mridashrang. Dr. Sumer Singh sir has already given a beautiful description about Hingul in his lecture. So this one is the last lecture of Sadharan Ras series. In slide, you can see images of Mridashrang, different colored sample. Here is yellow, red, buff colored sample, orange, or better to say sinduri color. To understand this variability, let's move on further slides. Mridashrang is commonly known as Murdashrang. Its English name is litharge and chemical formula is PbO. It is oxide of lead. Here I would like to recall Neelanjan, one of the type of anjan which is chemically PbS, sulfide of lead, and commonly known as galena. So please don't get confused between these two. PbO is litharge, that is Mridashrang, and PbS is galena, that is Neelanjan. This is the most common mistake done by students. Synonyms of Mridashrang are Mridarshrangak, Podarshrangak. Introduction. Mridashrang is yellow oxide of lead. It occurs in mines in natural form or prepared artificially in factories. When in yellow powder form, it is known as massicoat, and when in buff colored crystalline form, it is known as litharge. On heating, massicoat gets converted into litharge. What happens? Actually, when lead is heated in open air at temperature about 300 degrees Celsius, it reacts with oxygen of atmosphere and a yellow lead oxide is prepared on its surface. This yellow lead oxide is massicoat. This oxide is separated and further heated up to 877 degrees Celsius temperature. It melts and on cooling down, buff colored crystalline form is achieved known as Murdashrang. Sometimes it looks red due to presence of red oxide of lead. Now going back to the slide of images. So here you can see the yellow oxide of lead, that is massicoat. Here you can see the buff colored sample, and you can see here the orange colored or sinduri samples and red color sometimes due to presence of red oxide of lead. Varieties. Now come to the varieties of Murdashrang. Bodarshrangakam proktam dvividham pite panduram Sadalam nirdalam tavasva janir murjur mandale. Its varieties are divided on the basis of its source of occurrence, number second color, and number third form. First type is Prakrit, mineral variety, which is peat in color and sadal, layered structure in form. Second is Kratrim or artificial variety, which is Pandur in color and Nirdal, without layer structure in form. Availability. Mineral Mridashrang is available in the mountains of Abu of Rajasthan, Gujarat, Madhya Pradesh and Jharkhand. And the second type, artificial, can be prepared by two methods. First, lead is heated intensely and the yellowish creamy layer which floats on the surface is gathered. It is collected separately and again heated to prepare mridashram. Second method is lead and lead nitrate or lead and potassium nitrate are heated together to form mridashram. Shodhan. मृदार श्रृंगम आनीय कुट्टयेत खल्व मध्यगम प्रस्तर अंशम परित्यज्य पेशयेद अतियत्नतः वस्त्रपूतं ततः कृत्वा पुनः सुविमल अंबसा पेशयेत पक्षमेकं तु ततो घर्मे विशोषयेत रस्तरंगणी. So the first step of shodhan is to ground mridashram into fine powder with the help of mortar and pestle. All the sand and stone particles in case of mineral variety should be discarded and this grounded powder must be sieved through fine cloth. After sieving, it is rubbed with water for 15 days. Peshiyet pakshamekam. Paksh is used for 15 days. Then gharme vishoshiyet. It is dried in sunlight. मृदार श्रृंगकम कामम एतत् विधि विशोधितम क्षते अवचूर्णाध्यार्थम युज्येत भिषजाम वरः. It should be noted that mridar shrang purified by this method can be used for external purpose only. It is used for dressing the wounds to promote their healing. Pharmacological properties. Sis sattvam guru shleshma shamnam pun gadapaham rasbandhanam utkrishtam kesharanjanam uttamam mridar shrangam shishiram paramvat kafapaham firanga vranhrit keshyam vranropanam uttamam bhagna sandhane jananam pama kandutikadinut sankochakam visheshen tvagdosh shamanam matam. In this verse, we see some important features of it, such as Ras Bandhanam Utkrishtam. Mridar Shrang is best in doing Parat Bandhan, hence placed in Sadharan Rasa. We see here Pungatapaham, Firang Vranhrat and Vranropanam Uttamam. So, best medicine for healing the ulcers. It is used as dusting powder, in dressing and also in the form of ointment, malhar kalpana. Pama kandutikadinut tvagdosh shamnam, used in skin disorders and shudrakust. It is keshya and bhagna sandhankar. Formulations. First formulation is Malhar Kalpana, Mridar Shrang Malhar. It is prepared by mixing 1 tola murda shankh churn with 1 pal sikht tel. So, the ratio of sikht tel and murda shankh churn is 1:1/4. Second one is powder, churn form, mridar shrang 1 pal and tankan amla 2 tola is powdered, sieved and mixed well. This powder is used for dusting in Firangajvran syphilis ulcer. As I told you earlier that it is the best medicine for healing the ulcers. So, this is all about Mridar Shrang, generally asked in examination as a short note. Now, assignment. So your assignment is to prepare a comparative chart of Sadharan Rastra Abhyas and send me that pic on my WhatsApp with your name written on the top and bottom both. Thank you.